Hello friends, do you have any idea how few YouTubers are earning thousands of dollars by making this type of video, this type of thumbnail and this type of title? Today I am going to show you how you can make this type of long fact video. In few category of YouTube video you can earn thousands of dollars and long fact video is one of them. I am going to clear all of your doubt about fact video in this video. Just follow this tutorial. Look at this channel. It's fact. This channel is getting millions of views. Look at their thumbnail. Look at their title. Check their editing also. Let's check their monthly earning so you can get an idea how much scope of earning in this category. You know, the interesting thing is you will get all the facts available in internet. Take your photos, videos from Google, YouTube, Instagram, Pixabay and Pixel. You will also get the sound effects from there. If everything is free, so why someone is earning thousands of dollars and you are not earning anything? Actually, you don't know the strategy. Okay, I will show you every single steps. Before selecting topics, you need to know who is your target audience. People who has enough time, like older people, who surprises with anything. The people who is not doing many things, the middle class people, and the audience from 12 to 20 age groups. They are your audience. It is very important to reach right kind of audience. Second step is understand your audience emotion. Like some products that are people using for last 30 to 40 years. How it was before, how it is now, why some popular product lost their market. You can make videos on that product. You can make videos on popular actor, popular player or popular character. Your audience know this product, so make videos on them. You can make videos on daily products like chips, eggs, detergent powder, anything that you are using every day, that are using by everybody. Don't go for expensive products, go for common products. People are going to watch it, people are going to enjoy it. Third point is negative sentiment. It is very much important. People give more concentration on negative things, like 5 stars who kisses on stage. People are going to see it. Or 5 dangerous food you are eating every day, or 5 fast food that are killing you inside. You can get huge number of views with this type of content, where you will get your facts. First one is Google. You can get them from Google, but the easiest way is go to YouTube, write hashtag fact. You will get thousands of video. Now download 10 video from YouTube, take on from each of them and make your unique video. That's it. Now the category. People always select entertainment, peoples and blog for their fact video. But I will suggest you to select education category for this topic because people getting information that they don't know from your videos. So it is education category for your video. Now thumbnail and title. Two most important things for your video are thumbnail and title. Check others video, what others are doing. Check here. Most of the cases they are comparing year versus year, how a product was at 2018 and how it is now, how it is in India or how it is in China. Sometimes it's real versus fake. So follow their pattern. Also use red arrow and circle sign in your thumbnail. It makes people interested about your video. They think maybe there is something they are going to miss. Now title. First 3-4 words of a title are very important. This channel is always started with a simple question or how much dangerous it is type sentences. Like check this one. Simple things which are dangerous. How ballpen dangerous for you. Things school hide from you. So always start with a catchy title. It is very much important. Overlay. What is video overlay? It is very much important for fact video. Let's check one of their video. Look at the effects on the video. You need to use one of this type of video overlay. Look at this video. You will get best overlays for editing. You can download them from there. And if you need different overlay, find it from YouTube. Now let's make a simple video with ChatGPT and CapCut. First, log into your ChatGPT account. Then write like, make a YouTube video script on 5 facts about burger. How much dangerous it for health. Now enter. ChatGPT will give you an excellent content within a minute. It's done. Now copy and paste it somewhere else. For editing video, we are going to use CapCut. This video editor is totally free. I made audio from the script. I used 11 Labs AI for making the audio, but I am suggesting you to use your own voice. Here is the overlay, and here rest of the clip I need to make the video. I put the audio in the timeline and put some videos to match with the audios. Let's listen.
Welcome back to our channel, foodies. Today we have an interesting topic to discuss that concerns one of our all-time favorite fast foods, the burger. Burgers have been
What I have done, I have just put my videos according to the audios, but I have added one thing. Let's see what I have done. Like, this is the last term. After clicking it, just go to speed and make it fast. Mute the audio. I muted audio of all of this video and speed up all the videos like 1.5. So now split it. Split and delete. So this is the video. I know you can do this portion easily. Now for fact video you need to add few more things. First, transition. Transition means how the video switches from one to another. Like, go to transition, go to social media or anything. There are lots of options. I like this one, so click it and drag here. Look.
foodies. Today we have an interesting
Okay. So put transition between two videos. Put here.
discuss.
And this one. This is actually downloading.
Discuss that.
And here is the last one. Download it first.
You ever wondered about?
Put it here. Now play
Welcome
it.
back to our channel, foodies. Today we have an interesting topic to discuss that concerns one of our all-time favorite fast foods, the burger. Burgers have been a staple in many people's diets, but have
It's looking cool. Put one thing in mind. Select 16.9 from here. This is the video format for long video. Okay. After putting transition, now we go for overlay. This is the overlay I downloaded from that video. Adjust it with your audio. Now look, as the overlay of the top of our video, that's why we are not seeing our videos. So what to do? Go to video. Then come opacity. Decrease opacity. Now check.
Welcome back to our channel, foodies. Today we have an interesting topic to discuss: time favorite fast foods.
I think you got the overlay about the video. Now there is sticker. You can put sticker on your videos, like when someone is eating burger. You can use this one and place it somewhere here. Now
Foods.
check.
The burger.
Adjust it with your video. Go to the first portion of our video. You can select fire effect. Adjust it with your screen. Put it here. Now play the video.
Welcome back to our channel, foodies.
Check it again.
Welcome back to our channel, foodies. Today we have an
Adjust it. So you can use as much sticker as you want. You can use text in your videos by clicking here. Drag it here. You can change the text from this box. You can change the font from here. You can change the font size from these options. If you want, you can use a stroke.
Welcome back to our channel, foodies.
So this is the way. If you want, you can use text. I think I don't need any text here, so delete it. So if you follow the process from selecting topics to editing video like this way, this is the simplest way you can make the video and it will be engaging. For editing video, my suggestion is use as much clip as possible. For long fact video, it is important. So start today. Hope you will get some success very soon. Thank you.